Welcome to my channel. How to fix Brother printer not turning on. 1. Ensure power connection. Confirm the power cord is securely plugged into the printer and a functioning electrical outlet. 2. Test the outlet. Plug another device into the same outlet to verify that it's providing power. 3. Inspect the power cord. Check for visible damage to the cord or adapter. Replace it if frayed or broken. 4. Reset the printer. Unplug the printer, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in and try turning it on to reset the internal components. Five. Check power button. Ensure you press and hold the power button firmly for a few seconds and confirm it isn't stuck or damaged. 6. Avoid faulty power strips. Plug the printer directly into the wall outlet to rule out issues with power strips or surge protectors. 7. Try a different outlet. Move the printer to another outlet in a different room to eliminate potential electrical issues. 8. Inspect internal connections. Carefully check for loose connections inside the printer if you're experienced with opening electronics. Thanks for watching.